This is a follow-up on the Trek 7300 multi-track that I got at the North Raleigh Ministries thrift store here a few weeks ago. First official trail ride. Done a little bit of work on this to bring it back, and it's just a beautiful, very smooth riding bicycle. Been sitting a long time. The rear brake on this side was sticking. I had to take the bolts out of here and just lube both of those, and now it's working like it should. Lube the chain. Put some White Lightning Ultra on here. It's a little bit sticky than the regular chalk base. It's actually a really better lube for trails like this that are not really dirty. Got a little wear in the teeth, but overall it's a beautiful bike. I guess this is a hybrid commuter type bike, and to find something in a thrift store in my size, 22.5 inch, and this bike came from somewhere in Wisconsin, Briggs Cycling. Has 2 bottle cages, which I hadn't put a cage on. I lube the pedals right in here. Makes a big difference. We got noise you can't figure out. It's probably the pedal. And lube the derailleur, front and rear. This is a 24-speed bike with the nice indicators, grip shift, 8 gears in the rear. Indicator here for 3 on the crank. SRAM shifters. Shimano rear derailleur. And front, rather an SRAM X7 in the rear. Kept this basket on here which came with it. Kind of neat to put the camera and water bottle in there. RST front shock works really well. When I got this front brake was disconnected along with this cable. I guess that's why the owners gave up on it. Had to make some adjustments to the seat setting and height. 700 by 35C wheels and tires on here. Bontager original. Bike's all original. Nice to find this in somewhere like a thrift store. These brakes will need to be replaced. They are noisy. I'm sure the original. I think this is a 2012 model bike. There's a tag on it here. Haven't looked it up yet, but looked it up online, and that's my best guesstimate. Beautiful navy blue color and silver. Got all the nice end caps on it, like I like to find. Had a little bit of rust, so somewhere this had got exposed to some moisture at one time. End cap here. End cap on the front. And there's the end cap on the front derailleur. Basically just lubed and cleaned this bike. Super nice smooth riding. It was sticking a little bit or hesitancy in gear 8, and now that is really snapping in place now since I've lubed this and been riding this. Riding the Raleigh Greenways today. Very hot in July here. It's been in the mid-90s. Either have to ride early morning or late afternoon. I'll show you more, give a little ride on the trail here with a Trek 7300 multi-track. Beautiful bike. And here we go. Super smooth bike. Very smooth on the rear derailleur. Just very nice and quiet. It's been so hot this July. It's just miserable to try to ride mid-afternoon or afternoon. Look out, squirrel. Show you how noisy this brake is. Well, that's the front. That's not too bad. Rear brake noisy. It's Crabtree Creek. Runs beside our local mall here called Crabtree here in Raleigh. I use this trail just to ride quick, short rides, particularly heat of the day like this. And it has a lot more shade than other places. Glenwood Avenue Bridge takes you into downtown Raleigh. A lot more shade. You just have to be very careful. This tunnel here. Sure no people are coming. And we have a geese encounter here. Hello, geese. Sorry. Hello. And we must go through the tunnel. There are no lights on in here today. Usually very colorful in here with the lights. Very dark. And this will be a wrap up on the Trek 7300 Multitrack. What a really nice bike. Coming from a thrift store, just needs some minor work to it. Got it lubed, and this bike is just as nice as a new one. It's going to need some brakes on here, but still usable as is. Really like riding this. It's perfect for paved trails like this. Front shock will absorb any bumps. Very smooth grip shift. Love finding name brand bikes that haven't been used, and it has a bell. I didn't show that in the first video. Gonna keep riding here, but thank you so very much for watching.